In the age of the coronavirus, we are being approached to react in manners we never envisioned, explicitly to self-seclude, remain at home. As we practice self-confinement, we should be careful about shielding our physical well-being as well as our passionate prosperity. We should remain solid and rational. I can think about no other method to do either than physical action and development. The significance of physical action and development isn't new. It goes back to the very beginning. The capacity to run, walk, bounce, climb, lift, convey, creep, toss, and catch things were basic for endurance. The physical movement, however, not driven by indistinguishable necessities from in pre-memorable occasions, is similarly as significant today, much more so when you are closed in. Regardless of your age, hurts, torments, mental or physical capacities, or inabilities, you can and should take part in a physical movement if you will probably remain sound and rational during testing or troublesome occasions. In spite of the fact that it feels great to be making the rounds with companions, it's not important to get the physical action and mental incitement you need. Truth be told, one of the most straightforward and least demanding approaches to place both into your day is to simply move. Individuals, who are honored with acceptable physical and passionate well-being, move normally and consistently whether inside or outside. To move normally is to consolidate action into your day that doesn't take a great deal of time, thought, or exertion. Instances of normal development exercises include standing while at the same time chatting on the telephone, walking set up while viewing your preferred TV program or film, moving to your preferred music whenever, anyplace, swinging or siphoning your arms while situated, standing or strolling, influencing from side to side while cooking. Indeed, even little ordinary developments like clearing, cleaning, sulking, or getting up to kill a light include through the span of the day or week. Large or little developments, they all issue. Once in a while, I am asked, does sitting in a recliner tally? It depends. I once read that our 35th U.S. president utilized an armchair to move his back agony. While there are some medical advantages to shaking, there are different approaches to move that all the more precisely meets the recommended meaning of physical action and regular development. Obviously, shaking to and fro in a seat is superior to nothing. The reality is this: find your characteristic development of decision. At that point, make it an everyday propensity. Be steady, scrupulous, and enthusiastic. View each event as a chance to move. It doesn't make a difference in the event that you are sitting or standing, simply move. Individuals who move normally have superior personal satisfaction and are saner than the individuals who don't.